Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2022 NSRA Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky, and I came across a very cool 1955 Ford F100 I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it.
How cool is that? This truck is the reason that I have to comb the parking lot. Because I would have thought this truck would have been inside the building somewhere. Or showing up on Saturday in the pros pick, something. But not sitting out here just in a parking spot. But I found it. I dig the color. Obviously laying on the ground, you know I'm a fan of that. The wheel choice works for me. The stagger, the stance, nothing. Don't change nothing but the name on the title on this one. And again, one of those builds that you could drive it from now until the end of time. And it's always going to be cool. You can take it anywhere. Very clean up underneath. Just a clean truck all in general. Nicely done, not overdone. It's still 1955 Ford F100 looking. I don't remember the wheel size, but I got you shots of the wheels. Best I can do for y'all. I think the bedwood color is perfect for the build. It's different, you know. It's not, you could very easily go with a light maple type of color. Look at that. Very modern looking. Shelby interior. It doesn't have the Shelby seats, but it looks just like the Shelby seats. You know that's Shelby Mustang. That's Mustang, period. The dash the same way. They made all that fit in there perfectly. It was one of those, you know, have you seen vehicles? People ask me what's cool, and it's like, have you seen that 55 Ford pickup truck out in the parking lot? It is cool. Nicely done. I mean, look at that. Look how clean that is. Ton of work in this one. And you can go full-blown, you know, pro auto type interior, but I dig when they can make one fit from a modern car with a modern, the same trim engine, you know, because it's got the 5-liter in it. When they can do a conversion like that and make it look that clean, make it look like that's how it came from the factory. Yeah, I dig that too. There's a lot of work involved in doing that. That doesn't, it isn't as easy as just unbolting it from one and bolting it in the other, I can tell you that. And I tried to get some video of this paint working, and I ran out of sunlight, but man, I know it's brown, but it was just gorgeous. Especially when you would catch it, because it had all kinds of different red and gold and all types of different hues that would come out in it. Very clean. Again, the whole truck, that's, you know, that's the word that describes this truck. It is clean, not overdone, just clean and cool. So there you go, from the 2022 NSRA Street Rod Nationals, a 1955 Ford F100 pickup truck. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.